my side does the validation with respect to the location information and all, right? So once we create a site which customer is requesting for service, correct? That site is getting loaded into BFG. So BFG is centralized for site which has been recorded into systems, okay, for service delivery or service fulfillment for customer.
Okay. Irfan, can you share the link again? I think that the link is as copied Praveen Sridhar as a guest also.
Okay.
Yeah, sharing it now.
And from BFG, how we get in the B2B Salesforce?
So BFG is interfacing with Velocity, okay. And what is happening currently, Pawan? We load n number of sites. That is like our capability is per order we do the orchestration and every order will progress for fulfillment, correct? But at a code journey, we will load multiple sites. That is like multiple codes we do, multi-line code, right? I mean, multiple codes, okay, under one customer request. Okay.
One order.
Yeah. One order. But it will have multiple site orders. Okay, one by one, we will fulfill. Correct. As part of that orchestration, right? Workflow. So what they are doing is they are doing an Excel. Okay, in that Excel, they are loading all the sites, maybe 10, 50, whatever, right? They are loading the sites, they are including it into Velocity Salesforce, Velocity. Then this site is getting validated against BFG. Yeah.
Okay.
Using that interface at one step. So that, like, you should have an kind of site which is available, correct? So that is being validated once we have that loaded.
So that can be fetched also through some interface, or we can also upload through Excel and then validate. Both are there, right?
Both are there. That's right.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is easier. Why they are uploading via Excel is you are adding multiple sets at one instance, right? So that is easier for them.
So from directly when we go and get from BFG via some, I don't know, HTTP interface or what, so we only get one site, not multiple site.
Exactly. I think they use TMF 674 site 673, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like Srihari, so this is the interaction between Velocity and BFG happens during quoting stage. There is also an interaction that happens between CBP and the BFG, right? So, what is the difference? Like, what are the details that are fetched at that time once the order is
CBP interaction to BFG for site, is it?
I think here also there is a site details that we are fetching it from.
But it is not validating. Probably it must be something else.
No, it's a MAMDM identifier, right? That means that site is validated, right?
No, what I meant was it must be making a call to BFG for some other purpose rather than validating the site. Why? Because a validated site should have a code, right? Right at the first step only we are doing. The interface you are saying must be for some other purpose. Irfan, is it for something else we are making a call to BFG? CBP is doing a call, or is it Saumendra's story on that Druid one?
CBP might be for Druid one. They may making a call to MDM to get the address detail.
Exactly. Mohit, what is happening is Druid is the one which is holding our CDRs, right, for customer data retention, kind of, right? So what is happening? CBP is making a call to BFG to get the site details. Okay, why? Because Druid wanted both registered address of customer as well as the site information which are like provided with services, right? GZIP services or GZIP site locations, correct? So CBP is making a call to get the address. CBP will not have any detail about site, okay, when we are fulfilling. That is like Velocity will not send any site detail. Now they are making a call using site ID so that BFG will fetch this address. They are pushing it towards, I think.
So this is the My Site application. When you click in velocity, automatically it redirects here. You have to write the site name. This is as per your wish. It won't ask. It doesn't have any validation. And once we have filled in all these details, this one, and next we have another image. So once you have filled in all the mandatory details, you need to, we have a site validation internally here, which is NAD for UK and a Google Map for rest of the world. So once you do a map search also, that will give you the longitude, attitude, all this details from Google. And NAD means specific to UK. Once you click validate address, this will be validated with the overall geographic location that we have in the global. That kind of a link was there internally at site. Once you validate it, will done. Once this is done, if you click submit, this will create a site here. I mean, this will create a site at a BFG, and it will generate the MDM identifier. Okay, and when we are uploading the sites into Velocity via
And
bulk
CSA?
upload sheet,
Customer service account?
customer service account, we that would be already that would be mapped when at the code level only.
No, but BFG will have that mapping also, right? CSA and the sites. No?
No, that will be after the quoting, I guess. I don't know, not before the quoting.
See, we are creating a new site against a, for a specific.
The site name is the site name, and a site reference. Site ID would get created for each and every site. That's an identifier. You can use it for any CSA. Okay, but the site won't belong to.
Where is this mapping? Where is this mapping that will be present? In BFG or in BFG and Velocity both?
Which mapping?
Between CSA and sites. You said that there is a multiple sites
That would be there in Velocity.
Velocity as well, yeah. It will
Yes.
be there in Velocity. When you say
And BFG
CSA,
also, right? BFG
Yeah.
also. Or not sure.
Yeah.
BFG
also.
for
BFG
Digico
also
we are
will
not
go, yeah.
sure. For Netco we have that mapping in BFG. For Digico, I'm sure. I know it is at Velocity, but BFG side I don't know.
PFG also will
Okay.
have actually. Yeah.
Okay,
But I
and
think
once.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go
Sorry,
on,
go
go
ahead.
on.
No, go on.
Sir.
I'm looking after the bulk upload sheet. You go ahead.
Yeah, what I meant was customer service account is the one which is being identified what kind of service customer is using, right? Say now global SIP is the one which existing customer, but is looking for a new service with BT, right? That is when we are identifying hierarchy, one level below business account, correct? So customer might have n number of customer service accounts, correct, under a business account. That way.
So
Okay,
LE and CSA are mapped, right?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
So if you are placing a code, then LE has to be mapped with the CSA. That is a validation that we have in Velocity. Okay, fine.
No, I think I just so you said like business account under which we have service account, or it is other way around.
Business account is the
No,
one.
Pawan, what Shriyari is saying that see the customer hierarchy is there till LE, okay, and in and Velocity we have a validation that LE should be having a CSA.
Okay.
Without that, we cannot convert the code into order. Is that correct, Shriyari? Right?
Yeah, that is the way. Correct.
Yeah, at the opportunity level, we will have that CSA relationship mapping.
And CSA can have CSA is a container of the multiple sites.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
But in terms of hierarchy, business account contain the service multiple service account, right?
That's
No.
correct.
See, no.
Okay. No, just now, okay. Business account have CSA and that have billing
No,
account.
business
That is
account you're talking to LE, right? You're referring to
LE,
business account as
LE, yeah,
LE.
business account and LE, I am.
See, LE does not have CSA. It's just that there is a validation that Velocity has that LE should be associated to a CSA.
Okay.
So, and we can put this way, right? When we said business account, which is purely a business term, correct? But customer service account is the one. What we are saying is what customer has a business with, right? What is the purpose, right? Customer service account is saying purely identifying the kind of service that customer is having that, right? So hierarchy, I would say, yeah, we maintain that CSA even for um,
And this customer
maybe in
service
the
account is
corporation side.
internal. Sorry, and the customer service account is internal to BT. You can have any name to that. That doesn't matter. And business account is for the out of the world purpose. So for any regulatory auditing, legal purpose, if any case happened in future, we need to provide the legal name of the customer who uses the services.
Right,
So that
registered.
is that's registered in the registered company address kind of. But customer service account, whatever the name you can have in BT, because we already know to whom we are going to give the service. So it's just a site level of and details to which site of the registered company that we are going to give in. So
Correct. And CSA, I can say in GSIP terms, we are talking about corporation, right? Mohit Pawan. So we are saying that a corporation is being built. Customer is being identified in the network with corporation, right? VLPCP identifies corporation to separate out traffic between customers or between customer sites, correct? So CSA is an identification like as a corporation.
Okay, so whatever we are defining in the code as a CSA will go as a corporation in
Correct.
the usually
Yes.
as a VLP
Yes.
in the VLP safety. Okay,
Correct.
okay, CSA will go there. All right.
Yes.
yes. And once this site, if site is not available, site will be created in my site, and this mandatory parameter, whatever is there, sales specialist will copy it, and this is the Excel upload sheet. Okay, sales specialist will fill in all these details. Okay, till this it has a site details and a location type, whether we have created newly or existing, we need to just give the name here. And this is a very old one. New one may have some fields there and some fields they might have removed. Okay, I'm just for a high level view purpose I'm
So
showing
this is do we have any macros and all in this to
this is already macro enabled one.
okay, and
Yeah.
okay.
When you
Will you be
fill
able
this,
to forward it to us or no?
yes, this is in my local only. I can forward. This is for reference purpose. They
It
have
should be
given.
available in the KM portal also, right? Do we have a KM portal for GSIP and OC for BT?
I don't know.
KM portal must be there, yeah. OC, I know.
You
OC,
you can refer to the product page actually instead of KM portal. Uh, page. Yeah. So if you go here, digital workplace, okay, you can go to global voice solution. So inside that you have operator connect and global SIP. So inside this, if you go to resource, you will have all this. Yeah, you have a data sheet. I don't know whether this is. We will have a site upload sheet here. Actually, it is not there. That bulk upload sheet would be here only. I don't know why they haven't uploaded it. So all this details would be here, and the respective document you can find it in this link. I don't know why they haven't uploaded it. Previously it was there.
You are able to open this. Can you go inside this link?
Which one? Which link?
Any link. Sales enablement page is there, right? Just click on this page here. Click here.
This is PT internal page. It opens. It is not a public domain, I guess. It is specific to the BT people who want to learn about the Operator Connect. It's
So
going.
can we access? Can you send me this link? Not go up, right? Just go to hierarchy where we have, because I'm not. Go to this global voice, right? Global voice. There's a breadcrumbs, right? Yeah, click there. Yeah, now send it. Give the link.
it's still saying one voice. Maybe old
Yes.
one, is it?
No, global voice only. They have
Encryption.
migrated to digital world, right? So they don't have. They have only global voice now.
Right.
So this is a product page. So under digital workspace, you will have all the products. So you can refer to this. If something is not there, whatever you are expecting the document, you can reach out to POs, Praveen Sridhar. And for GC per steering, I can give you a contact. It would be Tushar Mageshwari. So you can reach out to the people and ask them to give it. They will reach out to respective people. Like a sales specialist will own this bulk upload sheet. So we can't directly reach them, or they may raise a question why you need this data. So if you ask POs, they will get it from sales specialist and they can share it with you people.
Okay. You mentioned about the CMF, right? Do we have something for that? If we want to see the how it looks, CMF portal.
Don't know. I have to check in this customer contact. Let me check. No, all these are contact center products. We don't have a customer model here.
I think we have to check some designs what Charles' team was doing, right, Irfan?
Yes.
I was trying. If I find one, I'll share Mohit.
Charles, who is Charles? Like he's a
Charles
EA or-
Audrey. He's the architect, right? So under him, I think he was defining the customer model across, right? I think his team
Can you
was
ping his ID?
Charles Audrey. I think you
Yeah.
might be knowing.
No, I have heard the name, but I have never contacted.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he's in BT for a very long period actually.
No, I'm new to this B2B. I was earlier.
Right. Global side, he was there. So most
Yeah,
of our
from Netco, he's there actually. He's from. This is the guy.
Hmm. Okay, fine. Yeah.
He is a solution architect for customer model. You can reach out to him. And recently we had one change actually. Instead of SAC, they are planning to introduce a trading account. So
right.
Yeah, for a voice area there is no much issue. If you see CPE, okay, customer premises equipment, we are in we are in connect with the Huawei, Palo Alto, Polycom, Cisco. We have many manufacturers and distributors. BT can't distribute throughout global, right? So we have many distributors and
No, I'm aware about that.
yeah. So for that, they are planning to use the trading account, which means in USA, if anyone asks this equipment from BT, that the local Cisco or Huawei vendor will deliver the devices on behalf of BT. For that, we need to have a trading account, because though it is not shipped, that outside country is selling something in US, right? For that, the trading account is required, I guess. So some level of transition is going on.
No, I'm not aware about that, Irfan.
No, I'm just saying, in future, the SAC may replaced with the trading account. You won't be hearing the SAC. Yes,
No, it has not come to us as of now. That may be something that the propositions, the common capability might be doing.
Yes.
But we are not aware about it.
Yeah, but in
I am
future,
I am in CP only, right? I'm in CP only, so I know
Okay.
it.
Okay. No, again, for CPE as an example I told, but this is the change purely on the customer model, which again
Oh, that will take long time.
might be. But they have started working on long time ago, but I don't know what is which stage they are.
It will take another long time.
Might be. So I don't know. I can't able to find it where that customer CMF is. You can check. You can check with Charles Audrey. He may help you. And so in Confluence, the problem is you can see, right, we belongs to the space, this one, solution design and architecture. Likewise, each and every product and the model have their own space. So the common and accelerator like that, we have many space actually. They may have to store their document, all those things.
This is the sequence diagram, right? And just go up. This is the diagram I was searching. This is the L2C journey or what?
Which one? This
So
one.
you are showing this sequence diagram, right? Just go up.
This one I have showed already to you people, right? That network architecture.
Okay, this is below. No. I was searching for the sequence diagram yesterday. Okay.
So this is specific to this feature, but
This is specific to this feature, but similarly we have the sequence diagram for all, right?
yes, for all.
Yeah. This is what we were searching yesterday. Okay.
You can check in this Epic 544. This is the new provide for GCP and OC. That from the initial scratch.
No,
From scratch.
you are into MACD, right? There you have
Actually, I don't have any sequence diagram. This document prepared
no,
by me.
on the right hand side, the sequence diagram that you have shown, it is for MACD deletes.
MACD and specific to this feature. So we have a decomposition planning defined for MACD deletes. Specific to that feature, this sequence diagram I have maintained. It is not a common one.
What is where I can find the common sequence diagram?
Common one inside this Epic 544, you will have the sequence diagram, overall architecture, everything.
No, I could find the sequence diagram for Netco, not for this. Okay, fine, we'll see again.
This is the Epic that has the
no,
developed
yesterday
for
only.
GCPOC, but I don't know.
I don't think it is prepared. Okay, maybe you have to go with individual features only, because Netco only what I know, it is only there till Netco. Yeah, but
Okay, it is for Netco only. We don't have for Digico.
yeah, I think so, because I didn't see. So, but maybe if you are up, you can.
Not there actually.
Okay, fine.
Because you have to go individual
So
stores. I
no
think
worries.
you'll get
Probably
that
we'll prepare as part of our understanding document, and you guys can verify it. Yeah.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Okay,
So you are done with the customer model, right? Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Just one question on that one, Irfan, that when we provision the numbers, right, the PSTN numbers on the portal for OC Connect on the Microsoft side, right, from where the numbers get routed. I think you said TAC, something like admin
yes,
portal.
Teams admin center.
Teams.
TAC.
So TAC, right? So there, do we also like? Is there any concept of tenant ID there?
Yeah.
Yes,
It is there.
with the help
So-
of tenant ID only we are uploading numbers.
So right. So what that means, like tenant ID is provided by that Microsoft.
Exactly.
Tenant ID is the unique identifier provided by Microsoft to the customer, and the customer will share it to BT stating this is my Microsoft account unique identifier. You need to map the PSTN number to this tenant ID.
Okay. So let's say if some customer could have these teams, what we call, like they already have, like in Infosys, if they buy Go and the Operator Connect. So we all have teams right now. So some may not have teams. So when they don't have the teams, so do they have to purchase teams as a part of that deal, or that teams comes automatically when they got the tenant ID for Operator Connect?
No, they need to purchase it. Sales specialist of BT will insist customer to purchase the Teams application, which is the prerequisites for this connection.
Okay, so first they go and purchase the Teams application, and as a part of that purchase, they get the tenant ID.
Yes, because without tenant ID, we can't progress the Operator Connect order.
Okay, and then the customer who is buying this Operator Connect product, they provide us that tenant ID, and that is provision as a part of the product. Okay.
Yes.
So Irfan, I mean, can we get like all? Is there any page you can show where all these final APIs going to, or the final API call for provisioning going to like TAC to SBC and all, which I like to see, like what data is going over there.
Actually, between systems we have a API call. From CNR to network, we don't have a API call. It is a push call that CBP makes, CNR makes to the system. And we have
Okay.
an interaction layer like a microservices and the APG in between to transfers the data based on the end system format. I
Okay.
can show the design and which are the systems interacted, but there is no standard API call as such. Most of the cases we are using non-customized API.
May not be standard API, but
Yeah,
like
I
what data
can.
is
Yeah, I can share the payload. You can see. You can check on that. What are the data we are sharing it and how it is getting transferred.
right, right. I like to go through that. Yeah. If yeah, please,
Uh, yeah.
maybe you can
That
post in the
in the
chat or
conference page itself, just now Mohit said, right? Epic 1378. I can ping that link. That has all the MACD deletes. Inside that, you can see MS Teams Admin Center. There is one feature created for that. That is having the detailed uh,
Can
view.
you
I
share
mean,
that? Can you just share the screen, Irfan, once more, please?
yeah, I'm sharing that link in the chat. I can share it. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm sharing now. So inside this GCP release design, you can have you have the Epic 1378. Inside that we have add deletes port out, which is common for both GCP and OC. Inside this deletes, because add is similar to provide, so we didn't make much changes on this, because on the fulfillment side everything is similar to provide. So we had an enhancement at mediation and velocity, and a slight enhancement at fulfillment system. And deletes, it's a purely removal of numbers. So you can see we have a Druid update, and this is where I am talking about MS Teams Admin Center fulfillment. So which are the payload, how the payload will form, and which are the connectivity layer that they are using. So this is how it connects CBP to APG gateway. APG gateway transfers the data to microservice, again APG gateway, and to Microsoft. This is how the connectivity is. And
So
you can
this is for which interaction between Velocity and CBP?
no CBP to Microsoft. Number upload in
Okay,
Microsoft.
okay, okay, okay.
I have to open up a call. If you can continue, I'll drop off. If that is okay. Yeah.
We
Yeah,
are
I'm so
reached
sorry,
the time.
need to drop up. Yeah.
Yeah, we can
We'll
take
catch
it
up
in
at
the
3
evening.
o'clock.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can
Yes.
refer this page. This has all the MACD deletes, port out, all the design. You can refer to this. We can discuss in the next call at the evening. Okay.
sure.
Okay,
That's
fine.
fine.
So we have a get to be covered in this in the next call, right? Get or by phase.
Yeah, by get all this.
Bye. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We'll cover in the next session.
Thanks.
Okay. Thanks,
Thank
Virat.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.